name is Chris. I'm a homeowner in Petaluma, California, and I just wanted to say that we're really loving the Aquamotion recirculating pump. It was installed just a couple weeks ago right over here, this teeny little thing by our water heater. What it does is way at the end of our house is our master bathroom, and when we turn on the hot water first thing in the morning, we get hot water instantly. It's a real revelation. Here in California, we've had a drought for the last couple of years. We've been using all that cold water that comes out while you're waiting for the hot water. We've been using that to water potted plants and stuff near the front door by collecting it in buckets. So, you know, we would fill up a bucket almost every day, waiting for the hot water to get hot in the shower. And so it's been great not to have to lug those buckets of water through the house. I think we're saving water, maybe even saving energy, having the Aquamotion recirculating system. It's been really nice, just the convenience of turning on the faucet and having it run hot right when you need it, right when you want it. It's part of a couple little improvements we've made to the house over the year, but it's definitely one we notice every day. And now that we have it, you know, it's just funny to think back, like how much time you spend waiting for hot water every single day throughout your life. And now, you know, our lives have changed. The Aquamotion recirculating pump, it was a great addition to our improvement.